Hey Days, welcome back to my day. Today's mission evicts the fridge. So into the car trunk, it needs to go. To be honest, Daddy did most of the heavy lifting. I will not lie. I just provided world-class moral support. Yeah. Anyways, this fridge, it was inhaling electricity like it was asthmatic. Our light bill was hitting $10,000 to $20,000 a month. Safe to say, our new fridge isn't, and this one is after Daddy's friend who'll either fix it or give it a respectful burial. By the time we got the trunk to close, Daddy can't drive because it's hitched up the seat, so there's out Daddy's face. Short legs save lives. Look at that. Perfect legs to reach there. If you listen, he'll be driving up to his knee. The most nerve-wracking thing I've ever done is driving my father. Even when I was practicing to drive, if you watch me driving vlogs, you know it's the most nerve-wracking thing ever to drive with this man.